Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I have a review for you guys. So the review is going to be on the Milk primer. You guys probably seen this primer like everywhere lately. I'm a little bit late on it just because it's kind of it's not pricey, but it's like you have to think about it before you want to splurge, you know. So we're gonna do a little wear test also on the primer. It's not gonna be a whole day wear test because first, I don't have all day. I'm sorry for you guys, but that's how it is. And second of all, some people say like it's supposed to be mattifying, so I want to see how matte it's gonna be. And usually after 3-4 hours, which is gonna be the length of my wear test, that's when I get oily anyways. I just want to see like how it's gonna go after like a couple of hours. Yeah, so that's about it. So let's just get into it. Okay, so the Milk primer. So what it does, they say it's English. So the Milk primer is supposed to be, it's called the Hydro Grip Primer. So it's supposed to grip your makeup and make it last all day for a super fresh finish. It has aloe water, cherry blossom, hyaluronic acid, B vitamin boost, and B vitamins to boost your skin for a healthier looking base. Okay, I'm all about vitamin B. That's all I take because it's really good. It's supposed to wake you up, especially for me. I have anemia, so it really helps. It's supposed to be oil free, silicone free, green tint formula, goes on clear to work across all skin tones and types. So they say to use about 1 to 2 pumps for your makeup application. Yeah, so it's supposed to be hydrating, supposed to keep your makeup like looking fresh all day. All skin types, I'm guessing it's supposed to keep me somehow matte. So yeah, we're gonna test it out. We're gonna see how it goes. So when I went to Sephora, they have the travel size if you guys wanna get a trial size. Just for me, it's like it wasn't worth it for the price. I was like, just might as well get the big one. And anyways, I needed a new primer, so I was like, get this one. So it's like, yeah, it's a first impression for me when I'm gonna use it, but I did hear a lot of things about it. Like, I'm not gonna lie, I did hear like through grapevines like people are liking it. Hopefully like it won't change my the way I see the product, because anyways, my skin is really weird. Okay, it's really oily. I just washed my face and you guys can see I'm already like a bit shiny here. It's not just the lighting, I'm already getting shiny. Okay, so we're just gonna start and do my makeup. So it looks like this. It comes with a pump, which is amazing, like this. They said they use 1 to 2 pumps. I'm just gonna use 1 pump because 2 pumps it's a lot. Like, I'm not about to like buy another one in a month. Okay, so I'm gonna do 1 pump like I said, because well, actually let's see how much comes out. Okay, this is good. I don't need 2 pumps because anyways I put my primer mostly in the middle of my face anyways. I know it's moisturizing, but I don't know, I think I would prefer just the middle. It doesn't really smell like anything. Like it smells, but it smells like those products that say like, oh no, we don't have, there's no fragrance, but it still has like a scent. That's what it smells like. Okay, so it's getting, ooh, it's sticky. Oh, okay. So it's like gripping. I won't say sticky because I tried it in the store. Like it's a bit sticky right now, but it's gonna go away. Like after when I got home, I didn't feel like I had anything on my hand. So I'm just gonna add a little bit more just here. I feel like I'm a bit dry, and since it's hydrating, hopefully I'll take off my dry patches, which it is. Oh. Okay, so I'm just gonna work a little bit fast just to make sure like the grip is still there. So for foundation, I'm gonna use my True Match and my Fit Me foundation. My shades are gonna be written down below if you guys are interested. Actually, this is not the one I want to use. I'm gonna use the one that's matte and poreless. Just gonna like it a little bit more, and usually that's what I use anyways. So I'm just using foundation that I know that doesn't necessarily last all day on me, but still looks good. So I'm going with my regular foundation that I use most of the time. Like that, I'll know if it acts differently, if it's a little bit weird. And it's easier for me to give you like a real first impression. I'm just gonna get the other one, so the Poreless. Now I'm just gonna blend everything. So I'm just gonna use a brush like that, just a foundation brush. That's what I'm using lately. You guys see that? It's going on really smooth. I don't really see smoother than usual, but the fact that like it's not changing anything. Okay guys, this is how my foundation looks with the Milk Primer. I mean, it's no different than usual. I feel the same like as I do usually. I feel like I have nothing. The smell is already gone, like that smell I told you about. It's already gone. I don't feel anything. So yeah, and it's looking really smooth, which I like. It's really uniform also. It's not necessarily pore filling, but my skin looks smooth. I don't know. It doesn't claim that it's supposed to fill in your pores. Like it didn't really fill in my pores, but it still looks really smooth and everything looks really good. I can't really complain about that. You guys can see it in on camera. It's hydrating. A few of the dry patches that I had are gone. I had one here, I had one here or something. It's gone. I'm just gonna do the rest of my makeup off camera because it's not gonna be anything special. And yeah, so I'm just gonna do that and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I'm back. This is my first update. I finished my makeup a while ago, just so you guys know, because our girl had to eat, man. I was so hungry, I had to eat. I'm sorry about that, but it's been about like an hour or so since I finished my I left you guys, applied my foundation, did my makeup, I went to eat, I filmed another video. Yes, I had time to do all that. So it's been about an hour or so, maybe a little bit more. This is how my makeup is looking like. Just so you guys know, I always set my makeup, so I was like, I'm gonna set my makeup just so like it's really the same conditions as if like I wasn't using that primer, because I really want to see how it works, how it like performs when I do my makeup like the same way I always do it regularly. So I did set my makeup with my Laura Mercier powder because this is what I'm using lately. So I know how it's performing right now. It's not a super hot day, but the thing is like I get oily whether it's like super cold outside or if it's really hot outside. Of course, if it's more hot, like I get more oily, like really more oily. But lately I've been oily like regardless, so it's not really gonna change like the way it's gonna go today. So just so you guys know, yeah. So you guys can see like I'm still really matte, like matte, like really matte. Sometimes like I get a bit shiny here already after I've done my makeup. Also, I went to eat, so it's been an hour, but now I'm still matte and nothing changed, so I'm really happy about that. So you know, that's pretty much it for now. I'm gonna come back in about, I think I'm gonna come back when I see like I'm getting shiny, or if I feel something is it's a bit different. Right now I still feel like I have nothing on. I still feel like I don't have any makeup on. The only thing I'm feeling right now is my lashes, because I haven't worn lashes in like so long, so it's a bit weird for me. But my face feels the same, like as even better than usual. So I feel hydrated. I don't feel like super dry. Everything is looking pretty good right now. So yeah, so I'm just gonna come back in about an hour or so. I'm pretty sure in about an hour you guys will see a difference. I'll feel a difference. And yeah, so I'll be back for my next update, which will be pretty soon. Okay guys, I'm back with another update. It's been about an hour since I last saw you guys, so it's been about 2 hours total since I did my makeup, and it's still looking really good. Like, it still looks really good. Honestly, usually after 2 hours you can see that I'm getting shiny, depending on which primer I'm using. And right now I'm looking hella good. Like, I still feel matte and I still feel like I have nothing on. And I don't, you know how sometimes, I don't know, maybe if you guys have oily skin, you know, sometimes when you get oily you feel like you start feeling your makeup like it's like grimy and everything. Right now I still feel like fresh. I still feel like there's nothing going on, almost forgetting that I have makeup on, which is amazing. And you guys can see it still looks the same really as before. The only thing I will say, maybe I'm getting a bit shiny here. You guys can see here, compared if you guys go back and check the last footage. But this is nothing. My makeup is not separating or anything like that. Everything looks smooth. I still feel hydrated. Everything is still almost intact, which I love. Yeah, so this is my update. So I'll be back in about, for my final update at like, right now it's 3:30, so I'll come back at 4:30 or 5 to let you guys know what's happening, how oily I got, if my makeup is breaking, if I feel anything, if I feel grimy, if I feel like I just want to like rip my face off or something like that. And yeah, I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm back for my final update for this video for the Milk Primer. All I'm going to say is now it's about almost 6 o'clock, so I just want to show you guys how it looks. You guys can probably tell that I'm more shiny than in my last update. I'm shiny here and on my cheeks and on my forehead, sorry. This is where I usually get oily, but right now you can see like I'm only shiny, like the oils are just coming through a little bit and everything still looks smooth. My makeup didn't break at all. I still feel comfortable with my makeup. I still feel like I'm not wearing anything. To me, everything still looks pretty flawless, honestly. If you guys know how, I wish you guys could see like how the difference between like when I'm really oily and right now. I'm really liking this primer so far. Like, it's really good, honestly. I didn't expect that. Usually on me it never really works as well, but this one really works like really well. So I'm really happy about that. Right now I feel like it will be the point where I might like do a little bit of touch up, but also feel like I don't really need it. So it's like if I have time I would do it, but honestly it would just be like a blotting sheet and I would be good to go, when usually I kind of have to like take off the excess oils and then like kind of like redo my makeup, like just adding some powder. But I feel like just taking out the extra shine would be fine and everything will look really well. I'm really impressed, honestly. If you have oily skin, I know it's not really meant for like oily skin. They say it's meant for like any skin type, but if you have oily skin, I think it's worth trying. They have a travel size if you guys are interested, by the way. Me, I just took the big one because it was just worth it for me, I guess. And also my skin feels hydrated and my makeup is not breaking. It just looks smooth. I don't know if you can see that. The foundation on top is just smooth. And yes, I'm shiny, but it's not bad. And it's been like about almost 5 hours now. So usually when I wear makeup, at 2 hours I'm shiny, 3-4 hours I'm oily, I have to touch up, and then at the end it's just like I have to take it off because it's like disgusting. But right now I feel like it's been only, this is how my makeup usually looks after 2 hours, and it's been like 5 to 6 hours. Like it's around 5 to 6 hours right now. So I'm really happy. I can't really say anything else. So again, I reviewed the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. So is it worth it? Yeah, I would honestly, if I finish it and I see like, because sometimes my skin get used to products, and if I see it still works really well by the end of this bottle, am I gonna get another one? I am. Honestly, I am, because it looks really good. Yeah, it looks really good and I really like it. Since this is my last update, I'm gonna continue wearing my makeup. It's just I won't come in camera. I'm gonna leave like I'm gonna pin a comment and just let you guys know how it went throughout the day, because I'm probably gonna wear this makeup until like 8 o'clock tonight, which is in about 2 hours. And yeah, so I'll just let you know how it went and also how my skin looks after I take off my makeup, because sometimes if I see like there's little bumps or anything, I'll take some pictures and show you guys if there's anything. So this is it for today. This is the reviews, the wear test. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope this was really informative for you guys. If you guys have any questions, leave them down below. If you guys, I forgot to mention something, any information that you guys wanted to know, just leave a question down below and I'll answer your comments as usual. Just let me know down below what are your guys' favorite primers. It could be high-end, it could be drugstore, I don't mind. I just want to know what, and also leave your skin type so just I know what kind of primer you guys use with your skin type. If you guys want to talk to me, yeah, that's about it. And thank you to everybody who likes, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you next time, guys. Bye.
One comes around, one today. They don't say things the same. 2 1 by 2 out the door.